Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. And sketch at the same time. Learning sketching is the key of becoming a better artist, and that's what I keep emphasizing. Well, you know this character. It's Toad from the Mario Brothers, Mario and Luigi, a video game that I grew up on when I was a kid, and I still admire the technique and the simpleness of the game, but just the fun factor. Yes, you may or may not know that I have been known to work on video games, several of them in the early 90s. It was a great time doing it, and I'm currently going to be working on some for my Friendfish series. So make sure you keep tuned to this YouTube channel, because surprising things are going to be happening in the next several weeks to months ahead. Anyways, so as always and always, if you have a pencil and paper, I think we're ready to draw. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.